Hello friends, this is Salam. Welcome to my YouTube channel Grateful Soul. So before we could go to today's video, I just want to remind you something. Be grateful for everything in your life, which in turn will bring you more peace, happiness and harmony to your life. Alright, so let's go to the video now. Today we are going to see the unboxing of a lightweight tripod, which is a kind of beginner tripod, and it comes under the budget. I bought this from Amazon for rupees 499. I'll mention the Amazon link below in the description in case if you are interested. So what are you waiting for? Let's unbox it now. This tripod is a very lightweight tripod. The tubes are made of aluminum, and it looks pretty stable and strong for both mobile phone as well as DSLR camera. In case if you are planning to use it outdoor, then you need to be very careful, because this is a lightweight tripod, and in case of any sudden heavy wind, this may fall, and it could damage your mobile phone or camera, whatever you are using. So you need to be very careful when you are using outdoor. But in case of indoor activity, it should be really good. So let's fix this mobile holder, which also comes along with this tripod, and see how it works. Okay, so now I have fixed the mobile device as well as the mobile holder to this tripod. So there are latches here in all three tubes. So you can just release the latch here, and you can just increase the size of the height of the tripod. So there is one more knob here, which is helpful to adjust the height of the center aluminum tube. And again, there is one knob here. This knob here is to make sure that your phone or camera stays stable. You just need to adjust this knob, and it just stays stable. And there is one more knob here at the bottom. So this is where you will fix the mobile holder, and you will just tighten it so that the holder will remains in its place. So actually there is two types of holder here. Like, this holder can be used in two ways, like one to shoot landscape, and the other to shoot in the portrait mode. So I have just assembled it as if I need to shoot in the landscape mode. So overall I would say, and also there is a level indicator here. So if you see that, you just need to make sure that the water bubble is in the center of it, so that your camera is in the right position and in the right angle. So overall I would say for 499 and for a beginner, it serves the purpose. But in case if you are looking for a more stable tripod, I think you need to go for a next level. Hope this information helped you today. I am signing off for now, and I will meet you in my next video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel below and hit the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming video. Until then, goodbye.